G'day punters, just another day, not much happening with the Land Cruiser today, so this is just a really anomalous video, I suppose. Just at the backyard, that's the boat, just showing you around the backyard. Yeah, some bananas are pulled off there, plantain bananas. You can Google them and find out how you can use them. Got some citrus shit happening out the back here and crap loads of bloody passion fruit. They even got a mango tree passion fruit. Now there's a gig in that, so if you can work it out. Yeah, lots of passion fruit, some mangoes, more citrus, avocado, finger lime, cassava, plantain bananas, pawpaw. Shit, this is moving fast, isn't it? Some pineapples, look at that, eh? I even have to stick a basket over that to keep the pineapple up. It's going all over the place. Beetroot, tomatoes. Lots of that. Beetroot going to come off soon. Jalapenos, they're just about the end of their reign at the moment. Oh, glass of wine. Some more seedlings to go in there, and I think the capsicum, the mini capsicum's just about had its day. Not much else happened down here. Down the side there, got a bunch of foliage. I think that's a good word, isn't it? Foliage. Not much else happening out here otherwise, just having a good day. Bit of rain this afternoon, green grass, shitloads of lawn grubs. If you've got some lawn grub buddy killer, let me know, because I can't find any here in Bundaberg or Bargara. You can see it's starting to kill off the bloody grass, the bloody things. Alright punters, just touching base with you, keeping up to date, let you know what's happening here. Not much, like everywhere else. Keep safe, and speak to you soon.